Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are talking about short haircut ideas for older women. Short hair is very popular among older women because it is easy to manage and looks fresh and stylish. As we grow older, our hair may become thinner or dry. A short haircut can make hair look fuller and healthier. It also saves time and daily styling. Let's explore some beautiful short haircut ideas. First is the classic pixie cut. This haircut is short and simple. It is easy to wash and dry. You don't need to spend much time in front of the mirror. The pixie cut makes your face look brighter and more open. It is perfect for women who want a neat and modern look. Second is a short bob haircut. A short bob is cut around the chin or slightly above. It gives a clean and elegant look. This haircut is easy to comb and style. You can keep it straight or add soft waves. It suits many face shapes and looks beautiful on grey or colored hair. Another great idea is a short layered haircut. Layers add volume and movement. If your hair feels flat, your layers can make it look thicker. This style looks soft and natural. You can let it air dry and still look stylish. Next is the textured crop cut. This is a modern and trendy short haircut. It has soft layers and texture that give the hair a lively look. It is very easy to maintain and does not need heavy styling products. It is perfect for women who want something stylish but simple. If you have natural curls, try a short curly haircut. Curls look beautiful in short styles. They add personality and charm. Just use a little curl cream after washing and let it dry naturally. It is easy to look and looks wonderful. Now let's talk about bangs. Soft side bangs or light front bangs can make your face look softer. They can also hide forehead lines if you want. Bangs add a fresh and youthful touch to short hair. Short haircuts are also great for grey hair. Grey hair looks very elegant in short hairstyles. It shines beautiful and gives a confident look. Many older women proudly shows their natural grey hair and it looks amazing. Here are some beauty tips when choosing a short haircut. Choose a style that matches your face shape. Think about your hair texture, straight, wavy or curly. Pick a hairstyle that fits your lifestyle. And most importantly, choose something that makes you feel comfortable and confident. So friends, thanks for watching my video. See you again with beautiful collection. Till then, Allah Hafiz.